Hi everyone, my name is Carleshia Smiley and I'm a recreational specialist at Lively Pointe Youth Center. And today I am going to be showing you all how to make a chicken Alfredo. So our first step is going to be, we're going to take some heavy whipping cream and some minced garlic and we're going to take it to a skillet. You want to keep the skillet on medium heat. So I'm just going to pour the cream in there. And then I'm gonna add some minced garlic with it. And we wanna let this just heat up. That's gonna be the first step. Let it all heat up. And then next we are going to add our Parmesan and our Mozzarella cheeses to that. So we're gonna take these two. You just wanna sprinkle the cheeses in there. The mozzarella, and so this is mozzarella and Parmesan cheese that we're putting in there. And we're just gonna mix it all together. We're gonna let all this melt. And kind of want it to thicken up some. Okay, we're getting a good texture now. So now we can go ahead and start adding in our seasonings. We're going to add some blackened seasoning. We have some cayenne pepper and some garlic salt that we're gonna add. So I'm gonna take all three of these seasonings and I'm just gonna add them into the mix. Now we're starting to get a little bubble. I'm gonna reduce the heat just a little bit so it doesn't start burning. So now we are done with the sauce. The sauce is ready. It's all melted, it's nice and thick. And now we are ready to mix it all together. Turn that off. And you want to remove it from the heat so it doesn't keep cooking while you're preparing the other items. I already prepped some chicken and some Alfredo noodles, but you can use whatever choice of meat that you like, shrimp, chicken. As far as the noodles, I used Alfredo. Like I said, you could use any noodles of your choice. So we are going to now mix everything together. So first I always add the noodles. So you just want to add your noodles in there. Then you want to add some of your chicken in there. Well, add all the chicken in there. And then we're just gonna mix everything together. Make sure everything is covered. So now that we have everything mixed together, I like to go and add a little bit more Cajun seasoning just to give it a little bit more of a kick. You do not have to do this part, it's optional. And this is how your finished product will look. It looks great. And I'm gonna some. And a little bit more parsley. And this is your finished outcome.
Watch this story on YouTube at the City of Irving for the full list of ingredients. And if you'd like to prepare a dish on What's Cooking Irving, email us at ictn@cityofirving.org.